hearing a source. Water. Is one of the source. It's one of the source like to. I'm hearing someone like meditating, taking his time, but snowman comes back again, crow. The water is gonna come though. But just be careful of it. Playing, but I'm hearing like a soft notice. Like a big one. Someone comes from what? Someone comes from, what is that? Like I'm hearing someone comes from a religious, traditional, in a royal family. Like someone has like a royal identity. Like their ancestors, they were like warriors. They were like soldiers in the country. Wow. So someone didn't know that. Like they tried to fuck with you, but later they realized, like, yo, it's not about you. It's about who you with or who you believe into, which is God before them. But like them, they know that like they have to always be there and protect you, because someone made a mistake, made something out of like just it's a baby step. I'm hearing a baby come to the world. Someone is pregnant, don't know what to do. But the baby is magical, and the baby is gonna very like grow well, because this is gonna come to protect these generations. So I'm heading like to break a generational curse, the bad one, and leave the good one and add on the good one, which I'm hearing like, don't tell them who you are. If they know who you are, then they have to follow where you're coming from. Because take your time on anything. Don't try to be perfect. I'm seeing someone praying and asking for forgiveness, forgiveness from God, but someone don't forgive and forget. So I'm hearing the spirit from the other side. Someone can communicate with the dead people. It is what it is. I don't know how, but I'm hearing that like they, from the other side, they don't forgive, so they don't want anyone to fuck with that person, because they don't forgive and forget, because they know that like the world has become very selfish and cruel. So someone will like get their judgment, their karma. That's just how it is. Like it's a wheel of fortune. If you know about the wheel of fortune, what goes around comes around. It has like a 12. The wheel of fortune has like a 12 points. In all these 12 points, there's signs. In all the signs, there's signs and synchronicity. English anyway. I'm hearing someone doesn't speak English. Spanish. Travel a lot. Different languages. Understand different languages. But in the wheel of fortune, going back to that, in the wheel of fortune, it's like 12, and that's where the 12 months has been created from, and the 12 hours in a day has been created from. So I don't know where they saw it, which is still on my life research. I'll believe that. So, like this sign is 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 days. There's a say in a book of change or in a Bible, so I don't know where, but like this says like Jesus Christ. I will talk it in my own language. Jesus Christ took 3 days. They took him into a space for 3 days. Then when they went there, he was not there anymore. So when they opened it, like whatever that they opened, he was not there anymore. So this 1, 2, 3. So all the signs, they come from what has been written. Something like an Egyptian, Asian. It's the information of there, but like from black people, from this black king. Because he's looking into it. Because the knowledge of it comes from signs that like they saw from the rock. And who wrote those signs? We don't even know, even now. Like it's a conspiracy mind that like they will say, they'll create a name or like they'll talk about a history. I'm seeing these things gonna go down to the history. Because you need to be kind. You need to very be kind of them. There's a lot of cards that falls down though. Queens comes and protect. For my royal family, I'm hearing that like it was supposed to have, actually they said they were supposed to have like a mountain school. So they didn't have a mountain school because the teachers, they said they were not ready spiritually. They were not ready. Like they couldn't do that. But next year, they're gonna be ready. And this kid, they have to go to a mountain school. But the other side of the family, they don't want this kid to go to a mountain school to learn things. I'm seeing that again. A ticket. Learn. It's a ticket to learn. In a traditional point of view, like they teach you how to become a female before you become a female. Like they program you mentally and physically. Become a practice where they show you actually like stuff that like I cannot talk about them online. Like it's a personal, secret, cultural things. Like Kimelao, men's rules. As much as there's a rule in Bible, there's a rule in tradition. So I'm like on thread down to teach how to sing the night song, the song before you sleep. I'm hearing from a Disney World, I relate to this both thing because like from a Disney World, there's a movie called The Lion Kingdom or something. The Lion Kingdom. It's a reference of that. Like, if you remember Simba left home. But sometimes he was a kingdom. He's from a kingdom. He left the kingdom. He became out there and he went to the jungle, and the jungle taught him, I'm seeing me. Okay, it's not about me, it's about them. The jungle taught him like a lot of things, and he came back. When he came back, they were holding each other and celebrating. In store. I'm here and there looking like a queen, offering like flowers, maiden gift. Someone not aware of that, what is coming. Beautiful, like I'm hearing someone's going to shoot something big.